We are back with a brand new power bank review. This time around it's the UGREEN NEXODE 20000mAh 130W fast charging power bank. It supposedly has a smart digital display, it is flight approved, compatible with multiple devices, it has 3 ports with one of them having a 100W single port charging capability. Inside the box, well, here it is, the UGREEN NEXODE power bank itself. It comes in this nice grey colour tone, and as I'm aware, this particular power bank is available with a 1200mAh 100W version for just £35. There is also a 25000mAh 200W version too, but that will cost you a heavy £112. With this 20000mAh 130W power bank being the third option to choose from, with a price of £63. That's around 80 in US dollars. Right guys, so you know what, I went to throw this box just to the side and I realised that part of the protective packaging does indeed house the accessory pack. Now quickly, within this pack, we've got that Type-C to Type-C charge cable. This will enable you to charge the UGREEN power bank via that 100W USB Type-C port. We've got an instruction manual. No, we've not. What is that? Nope, that's not it too. It says it on the front. Oh yeah, okay, so we have got a fold out, well, simple user manual. Lastly, we do have a nice feeling felt drawstring carry case, and getting back to the power bank, as well as that first 100W USB Type-C port, which by the way should be good for larger gadgets, or indeed just simply your mobile phone or tablet. Well, we've also got a 30W USB Type-C port, again for fast charging your mobile phone, maybe a smartwatch or RC car. And finally, we've got the 22.5W USB-A port for standard charging. Now if we go ahead, press and hold this side button just here to the right hand side of the power bank, it should turn the power bank on, and yeah, on the front face of that UGREEN power bank, we are now greeted by a cheery little character. The display though, on that TFT screen, well, it's not that visible in direct light, no. Visibility is better though in a dim lit room, and as you can see just here, we've got the remaining battery percentage level. That is indicated central. Above to the right, we have an indication of the remaining decharge and recharge time. Obviously it's saying 99 hours, 99 minutes based on 35% battery life being remaining. I know that sounds like a massive amount, but because nothing's plugged in at this present moment, it can't give a reading. So what this indication is actually for, well, I'll just quickly show you. So we've gone ahead and plugged in the basic charge cable. It's got a Type-A end. We're going to plug it into the side of our laptop, just like so. Now it should read, yep, it's saying we've got 9 hours 52 minutes until this actual power bank is fully recharged via the laptop. Now if you go ahead and plug that same cable and plug it into a standard mobile phone charge head unit, well, that reading on the screen just now is saying 3 hours 11 minutes until the UGREEN power bank is fully recharged. And well, in regards to the decharge time, if we take that supplied Type-C charge cable, plug it into the power bank, for example, plug the opposite end into these TWS earphones, the decharge time on the screen now reads 6 hours 21 minutes. Now that's not stating it's going to take 6 hours 21 minutes to fully recharge its charge case, no. What that actually entails is this power bank with that remaining 35% battery life, well, it will supply the TWS case with up to 6 hours 20 minutes worth of charging. So if these earphones usually take 1 hour 10 minutes to fully recharge, you'll probably get around about 5 to 6 full recharges of the case while on the go while using the UGREEN power bank. But whether you are charging 1, 2 or 3 tech items, the UGREEN's display will not only show which power port is occupied, but if you press that side button once while that display is illuminated, well, that screen should switch to a real-time voltage indicator with real-time current information being displayed too. Lastly, in regards to that display, if you are charging say your mobile phone and you want to trickle charge it, well, press that side button once again for 2 seconds and the UGREEN power bank should go into trickle charge mode, again indicated by that trickle charge notification on the central top part of that front screen. So right now, it's been 2 days since we have indeed been testing out this UGREEN NEXODE 20000mah battery power bank, and I've got to say, while charging multiple tech items simultaneously, well, I've got to be honest, this UGREEN power unit has been working absolutely great. It was brilliant at charging a single mobile phone from flat that has a 4500mah battery, being able to charge it in just over 1 hour. We did charge one of our RC remote control cars, a few wireless earphone sets, my smartwatch, and I've got to note that you can even charge this power bank while charging 2 other pieces of tech, or if you're not charging the power bank, charging 3 items at the exact same time. Now, you've not got to worry about any type of overheating with this UGREEN power bank, as it does have 13 levels of protection with that built-in thermal guard system. With that guard system, it includes high temperature protection, output current protection, overcharge protection, undercharge protection, low temperature protection, input voltage protection, overcharging protection, short circuit protection, input current protection, input overcurrent protection, output overcurrent protection, overpower protection, auto circuit interruption protection, and a manual reset protection too. Wow, that's a lot of protection.
That's what she said.
Now, reverting back to the charging of the power bank, well, charging it is super swift. You will fill that 20000mah battery in just less than 3 hours 20 minutes to fully recharge the UGREEN power bank. That is while using a standardized mobile phone adapter plug. And once it's full, it will enable you to charge, for example, this particular Samsung S20 FE that has a 4500mah battery, charging it fully over 3.5 times. The build quality of the UGREEN 130W power bank, yep, it's obviously got a bit of weight to it, weighing 480 grams. That TFT screen, once again, I do wish it was a little bit brighter, just so to see it in direct sunlight, as when you're outside you can hardly even view it. Those anti-slip pads on the bottom of the power bank though, they are very grippy on flat surfaces. And what's really cute about this power bank, by the way, and that TFT screen, is that if you're playing music on your mobile phone and you've got it plugged into the UGREEN power bank, well, we noticed that there was this little illuminating dancing face displayed. So for design, I'm going to give this UGREEN NEXODE power bank an 8 out of 10. For functionality, a 9 out of 10. I do wish maybe it had a touchscreen built in, as well as having that dedicated physical control button to the side. The usage, we're going to give it a 9 out of 10. We did get 3 full recharges of our mobile phone, with our overall rating for this UGREEN 20000mah power bank coming in with a sophisticated 9 out of 10. Now, if you want to check out this power bank for yourself, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, guys, so you're free to check that link out should you wish. But if you've liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much right now if you quickly smash a like on this video, share it wherever possible, but one of the most important things is please subscribe to us just now. We're trying to reach past that 20k mark. It means so much if you come and join us. And not only that, hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now, speaking of power banks, we've got another one showing on screen just now. We've previously reviewed this one, but guess what, there's another one just there. But hey, if you're still here, why not subscribe to us? Wait around for our very next upload. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace! And get some ready break. Nice.